Exciting times. This is the Ooni Koda. Let's get it unboxed. Look at this. Okay, so it's a box within a box. Ooni Koda gas-powered outdoor pizza oven. So look how this opens. We have Essentials Guide. Inside we have little extension warranty leaflet, manual and safety instructions. Also box classic pizza peel. That's a little option there. Another 15 quid they charge you for that. Well, that's a nice touch. It actually comes with a regulator. So as you can see there, it's a propane or butane regulator. Good to know. Okay. Okay, so let's get this out of the bag. There's the stone. Oh, bit of branding on there, embossed into the surface. Branding on there again. Not too heavy, quite light. These bits gas regulator through there. Little flip up legs, quite neat. And flip her over. Okay, so pop this out, and I'm presuming that the uni Lego goes downwards, otherwise that would stick to your pizza. So I'm going to slide that in. There's a little ridge there which locates it. Okay, pretty good. And the little pizza peel here. Let's open that up. Okay, so this is basically a piece of aluminium, bit flexible, Ooni logo embossed in there. So you just sort of push the pizza in and out like that. It's got a little film on there, a little protective film. I'll give you a little tour. Okay, so inside there it's pretty dark, difficult to see. There it is. Little dent there, look. I guess this is for the gas on the back. There's a little igniter built into that. Difficult to see, but you kind of got minimum gas here all the way up to maximum, and then the little igniters there. So, and then the gas regulator. Let's take a little look at that. You get this little gizmo, sort of some extending gizmo, not sure what that's for, but I'm sure it'll tell you in the instruction manual. You have here. And then this is the gas regulator, which I guess just push fits onto the gas there. So it says here propane 37 or 57, can't see, 37 millibar. So that's it, the Ooni Koda. I'll finish off the review once I've fired it up. Just a quick update, I realised what this gizmo's for. It's an extendable match holder, just in case the igniter goes wrong, and you can light it without burning your hand. Okay, so let's connect up the gas regulator. It's a standard patio gas. Yeah, turn that on. Okay. I'll put a little monitor in there. One thing that this is missing, I guess, is a thermometer built on. So I'll put that in there just to see how long it takes to heat up. Okay, so that's the light now. So have a little look. Okay, so my thermometer only goes up to 300. You probably want 400 or 500 degrees to cook a pizza. But after 5.5 minutes, it's up to 300 degrees. So it's pretty quick, really. Guess the thermometer will keep going, so I reckon halfway down we'll probably be about 350 degrees Celsius. Okay, I think we've reached the limit of my thermometer. So I'm going to stop for now and cook some pizza. Okay, so start the timer, fire her up. So back there it's about 400 degrees, in the middle 375 degrees, something like that. That's about 15 minutes, which is how long it says to heat it up for, so let's give it a go. So it's been in there about a minute. Let's give it a little turn around. It's a bit burnt on the back. Okay. It's all part of the look. So there we have it. Pizza. Maybe not a minute, as advertised. A couple of minutes though. It's pretty good. Okay, so that's it. All in all, pretty good. Need to remember to turn the pizza around a bit quicker next time. It's maybe a touch burnt on this side, but yeah, looks pretty cooked in the middle. Pretty easy, really. Okay, so we'll just give the second pizza a go. 40 odd seconds, I'm going to turn that around. Okay, so it's been about a minute. Give it another turn around. This is looking better. Okay, so the trick is to turn it around before the blank takes over the back of the pizza. Okay. Okay, so it's about 2 minutes now. Yeah, I think that looks good. Zoom you down to that. There you go, pizza 2 minutes. Looks pretty good on all sides. Okay, here's the paste. Okay, so looks cooked in the middle. Pretty tasty.